It is photoshopped, but it's has to be. 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 It is photoshopped, but it's has to.
Hi, I'm Don Daynard.
And I'm Erin Davis from CHFI FM 98, the office favorite.
Start your day with us, and CHFI will keep you company all day.
No matter where you are.
Excuse me, but you're in my office.
This is your office?
Yes, this is my desk, this is my award, and this is my radio, where I listen to...
Hey, want to listen to some tunes?
Hey, Tom, it's Bob. Hit the dust, it's over now. They broke the trust. Toss overboard. Amazing man, oh no, I know. Not them again. We know now, go.
A squeeze box in his hand, and on the VDU screen on the arm of his chair, he's got a vocabulary.
About the earth being flat is getting out of control. Can you please help us? Can you please help us? Can you please help us?
All right, hold my sandwich.
Oh,